Today, we're going to show you how to set the end date for a subscription. Let's begin by going to the Assign Subscription module. Next, select the student and assign a new subscription. From the subscription item list, choose the subscription that was set up as a monthly plan. Here, you'll notice the frequency is monthly and the fee is €100. Now, look for the max billing cycle field. Enter the number of months you want the subscription to run. For example, let's enter 4. This means the subscription will continue for 4 months. After the 4th month, there will be no further charges for this subscription. Once you assign the subscription, the information will automatically be sent to Stripe, and all future billing will be handled there. That's how you set a subscription's end date using the max billing cycle option. Thank you for watching.